Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom, there lived a special cat named Unikitty. Unikitty was no ordinary cat, for she had the power to change her body color to any shade of the rainbow. One day, Unikitty woke up feeling blue. She looked at her rainbow-colored fur and sighed, "Today, I just don't feel like a ray of sunshine." Her best friend, Puppycorn, noticed Unikitty's sad expression. He asked, "What's wrong, Unikitty? You usually sparkle so brightly." Unikitty explained, "I just can't seem to find my happiness today." Puppycorn thought for a moment and then said, "Why don't we go on an adventure to find your lost happiness, Unikitty?" Together, they set off on a journey, looking for ways to spread joy and laughter. They visited the Laughter Lake, where they danced with the happy fish, and the Giggle Grove, where they played with the laughing flowers. But despite all the fun, Unikitty still couldn't shake off her blue mood. Feeling a little disheartened, they decided to take a break near the Rainbow Reef. As they sat down, a majestic rainbow appeared in the sky, stretching from one end of the kingdom to the other. Unikitty looked at the rainbow and suddenly realized something. "Puppycorn," she said, "I've been searching for happiness in all the wrong places. Happiness is not something that can be lost or found. It's something I carry within me, just like my ability to change colors." Puppycorn smiled, "That's right, Unikitty. Happiness is a choice. You can choose to be happy no matter what." From that day forward, Unikitty learned to find happiness within herself, and her rainbow-colored fur sparkled brighter than ever before. And she and Puppycorn continued to spread joy and laughter throughout their magical kingdom. The end.